So these are the materials we need for our 8 visual symbols, and I will show it to you how to make visual symbols and discuss to you the purpose of each symbols. So let's start first from the making of comic strip. So I have printed the comic strip I have made online. I use Excel to print this comic strip with a total of 4 bond papers or 2 by 2 size, and then after printing, just cut it all together side by side and make it a whole again. So after completing the puzzle, mount it in a cartolina with 17 inches side by side. Measurement is important, so you have to use ruler and cut it all together. So this is the finished product of our comic strip. Next is the making of map visual symbol. Same procedure in the comic strip. So I printed the map of the Philippines and paste it all together and make it a whole again. There are different kinds of map. This one is called a political map that shows the different places in the Philippines from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, symbolizes with different colors. Now paste it again in a cartolina and use ruler for the perfect sizes. So always remember that measurement is very important in making visual symbols. Use pencil to make a line and cut it side by side to get the right measurement. This time, I have prepared another color cartolina for the title of the map, which is the political map. So I paste it on the upper side. I use color stick to look more attractive, so I put it side by side. So here is our finished product of political map. Now I'm gonna show you my finished product of 8 visual symbols. First visual symbol is stick drawing. This drawing shows that Christmas amid the COVID pandemic can still be merry with family. Next is cartoon. This visual symbol shows how courageous are frontliners in the fight against coronavirus. Next is comic strip, a sequence in drawings in boxes that tell a story about the situation of community in the new normal that brought by the pandemic. Next is flashcards. This visual symbol containing amount of information about the top 10 current global issue before the pandemic happened. This card held as for students to see as an aid to learning. Next is chart. This visual symbol shows the medical team structure of an organization and the relationship and relative ranks of its parts and position. Next is diagram. This visual symbol, also known as Ishikawa diagrams, that show the potential causes of a manufacturing company. This diagram are product design and quality defect prevention factors causing an overall effect. Next is graph. This visual symbol presents categorical data of what action have we had in response to COVID-19, with rectangular bars with heights or lengths proportional to the values that they represent. It can be plotted vertically or horizontally. This is sometimes called column chart. Next is map. This visual symbol shows political map of our beloved country, Philippines. It represents countries, states, and towns. Often they are printed different colors so we can see them better. This map shows names and boundaries.